Okay, so step one, we've got to get our turkey garlic butter ready. This is going to cover the entire turkey and also be stuffed or lined inside the skin to keep the turkey breast as juicy as possible and add some really great flavor. We're starting off with soft butter. Okay, so get that in. We'll just break it up in pieces for now. Start off with some salt, a generous amount of pepper. Add a little bit of olive oil. This is going to help the butter from burning. Let's get one. It's a big bird. Let's do 4 right here. Let's get all that in there. So now we're going to zest a couple of lemons. This is going to add some really good flavor. It's good to change things up every so often and try a new recipe. If you're a fan of Gordon Ramsay, I'm doing his recipe right here. This is a Gordon Ramsay recipe. Slice, and we're going to add the juice of both lemons in there. Set that aside. Good healthy amount of parsley and a nice rough chop. Right into our butter. And now we simply mix. Excellent. Okay. We'll just prepare. Whoa! We're squirting a few butter balls. There you go. That's the turkey garlic butter all ready to go. Next step up is we're going to go ahead and stuff our turkey. Follow along and you can cook your best turkey in the oven. Let's go.